So for today we'll be looking at fractions, but we are going to be focusing on multiplication and division. So with multiplication, it's very easy or very simple. You just need to multiply horizontally. So the numbers that are the numerators, multiply those. And the numbers that are the denominators, you'll multiply those together. So once you're dealing with multiplication, you'll just simply multiply across. So 5 times 1, 5. And you'll put your 5 there. 8 times 3, that gives you 24. And you'll put it there. And that's your answer. So I'll do another example because these are very simple. Another example, multiply the two top numbers. So when you multiply 3 and 5, you'll get 15. And then you multiply 7 and 4, and that gives you 28. And that's it. So as long as you're able to remember that you're multiplying the two top numbers and the two bottom numbers together, or even if you have 3 or more, it's always the top numbers or the numerators multiplying each other, and then you will have your denominators multiplying each other, and you will get your final answer. Division now, there's a little thing that you can use to remember when you're doing division, and you'll be able to get your answer. And it's a little thing that they call KCF. You must be wondering, what does KCF mean? It means keep, change, flip. So keep the first fraction as it is. So you always keep the first one as it is. Change. Now C means change your division sign into a multiplication sign. And F now means flip. So it means that what was at the top now goes to the bottom. What was at the bottom goes to the top. So you'll flip over your fraction. And now it's a multiplication question. And you would have just seen how to do multiplication. So you'll just multiply your numerators together and your denominators together. So equals 3 times 8, that gives you 24. 2 times 9, that gives you 18. And once you are there, depending on what your question requires you to do, you can either simplify it, turn it as a mixed number, or you leave it as it is. So if you are going to simplify this, you'll just simply think about what's the biggest number that can go into both of them without leaving a remainder. And in this case, the biggest number that can go into both of them is the number 6. So 6 into 24 goes 4 times. And 6 into 18 goes 3 times. So that would be it as a simplified fraction. But if your teacher requires you to put it in a mixed number fraction, you'll just simply divide your top number, which is your numerator, by your denominator. So 4 divided by 3, that goes 1 time. And the remainder that you have from that, you'll put it at the top. So when you take out 3 out of 4, you'll only be left with 1. And then you put it back over your denominator. And that's it. So remember that once you're dealing with division, you just apply the abbreviation KCF. Keep, change, and flip. So once you're dealing with division, just remember that. Keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction as it is, change your division sign to a multiplication sign, and then you flip or you invert the next fraction, and then you'll be able to get your final answer. Remember, with multiplication now, you'll just simply multiply your numerators together and your denominators together, and that's it. So thanks for watching, and tune in again next time with Mr. Brown with other mathematical concepts.